grease. Today we're gonna go over how to grease your gas-powered 32cc post pounder that I bought from Princess Auto that I use to install marquee tents for my tent install business. And we're gonna grease it up today because it's not properly working. Let's get into it. It's because I'm so greasy.
What do you mean?
I'm a greasy, yeah, I greased it. So I install tents using this guy, and it saves me a lot of time rather having to hammer them in with a sledgehammer. Anyways, it's not working up to snuff. Today we had a tent install and it just wasn't performing. It wasn't hammering. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to take some grease and we're gonna have to open up these two sides. So right here and right here. And then we're gonna put some grease in there. And yeah, this little guy comes with a toolkit and it comes with some grease. And so we're just gonna rip off these little nuts here with the Allen keys provided. And we're just gonna squeeze some of the grease in there and work it around, and then jump start the jackhammer, pound in a stake, and then we'll get going. All right, we're definitely gonna need some more grease in there. It's dried up. We got our professional grease. Let's open it up and put it in. All right, so let's put the casing back on there. Here's a tent stake. So that's how you grease your jackhammer. If it doesn't have grease, then it won't have motion.